Hey guys, welcome to my very first zoo vlog. So before we go inside, we have to scan our ticket. And then here we are. This zoo is called Copenhagen Zoo, or in English, Copenhagen Zoo. And it features over 4,000 animals from around the world. Then before we go home guys, we climb up to a zoo tower to check out the view.
Du kan komma och handla det. Ja.
That wraps up my zoo adventure. I'm so happy that I got to see such a huge variety of animals, and I really had so much fun.